Hello everyone. In the today's class, I will solve the problems of exercise 1.1. Okay. So see the question. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So they are given some relations on sets. We have to check those relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive or not. Okay. So see the question number 1 in that relation are in the set A is 1, 2, 3, so on up to the 14. Set A is 1 to the 14, defined as R is equal to the order of pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. The relation is 3x minus y is equal to 0. So let us see the solution. Solution set A 1, 2, 3, so on up to the 14. They are given 14 numbers and the relation is x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to the 0. 3x minus y is equal to the 0. So now we have to check for reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let us check the reflexivity. Reflexive. To show the reflexive relation for all x belongs to the set A, x comma x should belongs to the R. Okay. So let us take a number. Let us take any number. Let 2 belongs to the set A. I'll consider number 2 belongs to the set A. Now, so we have to check 2 comma 2 belongs to the R or not. Okay, for that put in this relation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3x means 2, y means also 2. Therefore, this is equal to the 0. 2 into 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2. So this is 4 is not equal to 0. So we need is equal to the 0 means RHS is not equal to LHS. Take any number from this set and put in this relation. After solving we should get 0. If it is not equal to 0, then this number order pair doesn't belongs to the relation R. Okay, nodri 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ y equal to ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ because x, x equal to r ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು therefore 2, 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು r belongs to ಇಂದ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3x y equal to 3x y equal to 0 ಅಂತ x ಇದನ್ನೇ 2 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y ಇದನ್ನೇ 2 ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು 3, 2 is 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 is not equal to 0. Therefore 2, 2 doesn't belongs to R. 2, 2 is R name belong. 2, 2 doesn't belongs to the R. Hangidre entry. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Right. Next, check for symmetry. Symmetry. Right. So to check the symmetry, we need two numbers such that they should satisfy this relation first. Then go for the reverse. So let us take two numbers. I will consider 1 and 3. They will satisfy this relation. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So let 1 comma 3 belongs to set A. Then 1 comma 3 belongs to the R. See how it belongs to the R. So take the relation 3x minus y is equal to the 0. Then 3 x means 1, y means 3. This is equal to 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to the 0. So 0 equal to the 0. Now we have to check 3, 1 belongs to the R or not. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3, 1 R ನ ಅದಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 3, 1 implies ಸೊ x equal to 3 ಅಥವಾ y equal to 1 ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3x minus y equal to 0 3x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಅದ minus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದ so this is equal to 0 ನೋಡಿ 9 minus 1 8 is never equal to 0 so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ 3 1 doesn't belongs to r 3 1 doesn't belongs to the r x y belongs to r ಆಯ್ತು but y x doesn't belongs to r therefore it is not symmetric ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ therefore r is not symmetric r is not symmetric okay so next ನಾವು ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು transitivity okay transitive relation transitive okay ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಅವು ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾವ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದೆನ್ a c ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us choose a two order pairs. So I will consider again 1 3 let 1 3 next element is it is multiple of 3 actually therefore consider 9 3 1 3 9 belongs to the set A separate elements 1 3 9 belongs to the A so let us check 1 3 belongs to the R right because 3x minus y is equal to 0 3 into x is 1 y is 3 this is equal to the 0 so 3 minus 3 is equal to the 0 0 equal to the 0 next 3 9 is implies 3x minus y is equal to 0 okay 3 x is 3 minus y is 9 equal to the 0 3 into 3 9 minus 9 is 0 is equal to 0 so ಎಂತ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾಗ ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x y y z ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x z ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ so let us write that one 1 9 first check it don't write directly belongs to the r first check ಮಾಡಿ equation hold ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ belongs to r ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು 1 9 3x minus y is equal to the 0 3x is 1 minus y is 9 is equal to the 0 3 minus 9 this is equal to the 3 minus 9 is minus 6 this is not equal to the 0 therefore 1 9 doesn't belongs to the r therefore 1 9 doesn't belongs to the r x y belongs to r y z belongs to r but x z doesn't belongs to r therefore r is not transitive so the given relation r is equal to x y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 is not a reflexive, not a symmetric and not a transitive. So dear students, it's an important question. Already 3 mark ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ 2015 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ನಾಗ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2015 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಓಕೆ so this is the first question let us see the next question okay see the second question relation r in the set n of natural numbers defined as r is equal to x y such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4 x less than 4 ಇರಬೇಕು y equal to x plus y ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ so set ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ okay solution n set of natural numbers Next, so relation is R is equal to the x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. Okay, so x less than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 1 comma 2 3. so ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 to 3 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 to 3. ಈಗ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ x equal to 1 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನಾನು 1 plus 5 6. if I put x equal to 1 I get y is equal to 6, that is 1 comma 6. ಆಮೇಲೆ x equal to 2 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 5 7. so x equal to 2 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 7, that is 2 comma 7. so last one x equal to 3 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x equal to 3 put ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y is equal to 8 we get, that is 3 comma 8. so relation is 1 comma 6 2 comma 7 3 comma 8. okay, ಈಗ reflexive. so see, for the reflexive relation every element should relate to itself, that is for all a belongs to the set a comma a belongs to the r ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ 1 comma 6 ಅದ 2 comma 7 ಅದ 3 comma 8 ಅದ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 ಇದಾವ. ಸೊ 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 doesn't belongs to the r. so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು it is not a reflexive relation. okay, so that we can write as a for all x belongs to the n, for all x belongs to the n, x comma x doesn't belongs to the r, x comma x doesn't belongs to the r. so that is 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 doesn't belongs to the r. so आगे इले 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. therefore r is not a reflexive relation. r is not a reflexive relation. in a symmetric break, symmetric correct. so consider 1 comma 6. so it is already satisfied on ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ satisfy ಮಾಡಿದೆ already. so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. let 1 comma 6 belongs to the r. okay, 6 comma 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 6 comma 1 implies ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y equal to x plus 5, y is equal to x plus 5. so y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದರಿ 1, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಅದ. 1 is equal to 6 plus 5. this is equal to the 1 equal to the 11. so it is not possible, it contradicts. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 is not equal to 11. therefore 6 comma 1 doesn't belong to the r. therefore r is not symmetric. r is not symmetric relation. next the last one is transitive. check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. transitive ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ 1 comma 6 ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಏನು 6 comma ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ as 1 comma 6 belongs to the r, there is no order pair which is of 6 comma something. ಹೌದಾ? 6 comma ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ, since 1 comma 6 belongs to the r, there is no order pair which has six as its first element. No order pair which has six as its first element. So here the statement is that 1, 6 belongs to the R other, so there is no order pair. ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ? which as 6 as its first element. 6 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? this is not a transitive. x, y belongs to the R other, but y, z doesn't belongs to the R. So therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Therefore, second question is also not reflexive, not symmetric, and it is also not transitive. Third question: relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Defined as R is equal to x, y such that y is divisible by x. So already you know the meaning of divisibility. Okay, here y is divisible by x, they have mentioned. Okay, so check which is a reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Okay, so first write the set. Set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relation R is equal to the order pair x, y such that y is divisible by x. Entry relation x, y such that y is divisible by x relation. But next check reflexive. First one is reflexive. Reflexive for all the x belongs to the set A, x, x should belongs to the R. Divisible irodrinda y is divisible by x irodrinda reflexive check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x, x ಇರ್ತದ. therefore every number is divisible by itself. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ itself divisible ಆಗ್ತದೆ. therefore x, x belongs to R ಆಗ್ತದೆ. that is for all x belongs to the set A. set A ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು x, x belongs to the R because x is divisible by x. because x is divisible by x. x ರಿಂದನ divisible ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is reflexive relation. therefore R is reflexive. R is reflexive relation. ಹೌದಾ? next symmetric. So symmetric check ಮಾಡಾಗ take number directly number ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. let 2, 6 belongs to the set A. 2 ಮತ್ತು 6 set A ದಾಗ ಏನದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? y is divisible by x. that is 2, 6 belongs to R because ನೋಡಿ 6 is divisible by 2. so 2 ದಿಂದ divisible ಆಗ್ತದೆ because ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡಿ a number is divisible by 2 means ಏನಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ if it is a even number that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. so ಈ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ it is divisible by 2. so 6 ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. 2, 6 belongs to R ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು? y is divisible by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಏನದ y ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6 is divisible by 2. ಬಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 6, 2 belongs to R not. so ನೋಡ್ರಿ y ಏನದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? y is divisible by x ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 is divisible by 6 R not. ಈ not divisible by 6 because not divisible ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ if a number is divisible by 6 means ಅದ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ 6 ರಿಂದ divisible ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ that should be divisible by 2 and 3 also ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ದಿಂದಲೂ divisible ಆಗಬೇಕು 2 ದಿಂದ divisible ಆಗ್ತದ ಬಟ್ 3 ದಿಂದ divisible ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ so 2 is not divisible by 6 ಏನ್ರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ a ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಇಂದ divisible ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ದಿಂದನೂ divisible ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 divisible by 6 ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ x, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ y, x ತಗೋಬೇಕು y is divisible by x ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 is not divisible by 6 2 is not divisible by 6 therefore 6 comma 2 doesn't belongs to the R 6 comma 2 doesn't belongs to the R therefore R is not symmetric R is not symmetric right so next transitive relation nodri transitive so ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅವು ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಸೊ let 1 2 4 I will take elements numbers 1 2 4 belongs to the set A like 1 2 4 consider ಮಾಡಿನ we can consider 1 3 6 also 1 3 6 consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು so 1 comma 2 belongs to the R ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 is divisible by 1 2 is divisible by 1 next 2 comma 4 belongs to the R that is 2 ನೋಡಿ 4 is y is divisible by x y and 4 the 4 is divisible by 2 so that 4 is divisible by 2 because it is a even number therefore now check for 1 comma 4 so let 1 comma 4 implies 4 is divisible by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು 4 is divisible by 1 4 is divisible by 1 therefore 1 comma 4 belongs to the R so x comma y belongs to the R y comma z belongs to the R and 1 comma is y x comma z is also belongs to the R so ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ it is a transitive relation ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ದು transitive relation therefore R is transitive relation R is transitive relation so question ಏನಾಯ್ತದ third it is a reflexivity hold up and R is not a symmetric and it is a transitive so okay fourth question relation R in the set Z means set of integers defined by R is equal to x comma y such that x minus y is an integer x minus y is an integer so let us check it is reflexive symmetric and transitive or not solution set is set of integers z set of all the integers set of all integers okay next relation is R is equal to the x comma y such that x minus y is an integer x minus y is an integer ಹೌದಾ ಓಕೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನೇಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ 0 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ 0 ಓಕೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ for all x belongs to the z set ಏನಿದೆ z for all x belongs to the z x comma x belongs to the r ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ so x comma x implies ಏನಂದ್ರೆ x minus y is an integer ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x minus x this is equal to the 0. 0 is an integer, 0 integer list ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Therefore either result x minus y is an integer ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus x equal to 0. 0 is an integer, right? Is an integer. Is an integer. Okay, therefore ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ x, x belongs to the R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and R is reflexive. R is reflexive ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next symmetric. Symmetric. So let us consider two elements. Let for all x, y belongs to the set Z. For all x, y belongs to the Z, x, y belongs to the R. This implies x minus y is an integer. X minus y is an integer. X minus y equal to, let us consider small k, where k is any number. K is an integer. Where k is an integer. And then writing the particularly x minus y is equal to k. K is an integer. Next, either reverse check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು symmetric ನಾಗ y, x is equal to the, so it means this implies x minus y ಅದ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ y minus x ಹೌದಾ ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ y minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. this is equal to the, ಇದನ್ನ x minus y ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ minus y ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ x minus y, this is equal to x minus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ k ಅದ minus k. so k ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆದರೆ minus k ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ because set of integer contains positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. so it is also an integer. Minus k is also an integer. Minus k is also an integer. Therefore the integer ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y, x belongs to the R. Therefore y, x belongs to the R. Y, x belongs to the R. Therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay, next third one is transitivity. Okay, transitivity. Let for all x, y and z belongs to the set of integers, belongs to the set of integers. so first one is x, y belongs to the R. this implies x minus y is an integer according to the given relation. X minus y is an integer. Next is y, z belongs to the R. this implies y minus z is an integer. Y minus z is also an integer. x minus y ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, y minus z ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್. ಎರಡು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. therefore x minus y plus y minus z is an integer. so ಏನ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ plus y minus y plus I can plug one, x minus z is an integer. x minus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ x, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus y ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, y, z ಅಂದ್ರೆ y minus z ಬರ್ದಿವ. x minus z ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can write x, z belongs to the R. therefore so for all x, y and z belongs to the set Z, x, y belongs to the R, y, z belongs to the R and x, z belongs to the R. therefore R is transitive relation. R is transitive relation. so see here students, the relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. so ಮೂರು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, R it. So this is also a very important question asked in 2015 annual examination, 2015 July, for 3 marks. So this is also asked in annual examination. So dear students, there will be a one fixed question of this type in your annual examination for 3 marks. Okay. So let us continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.